Wait. Let me ask you something. A very simple question, but be honest. When someone asks you in English, what do you like to do? Do you feel confused? Do you feel shy? Do your words stop right here? If yes, this video is for you.
Leo, this happens to me every time.
I know, Mia. You are not alone. Most students feel the same.
I know the words, but when I speak, my mind goes blank.
That is very normal. You are not bad at English. You're just scared. And today, we remove this fear.
Really?
Yes, very slowly, very easily. Mia, listen to me. English is not magic. English is daily life.
Daily life?
Yes. What you eat, what you watch, what you enjoy. So let me ask you again, very slowly. Mia, what do you like to do?
I I don't know what to say.
Stop. This is the mistake. Most students think too much. Don't think. Feel. Mia, do you like music?
Yes, I like music.
Good. Say it again.
I like music.
Perfect. Now add one word. I like listening to music.
Oh, that feels easy.
Because it is easy.
Leo, I feel better.
You see, no grammar fear, no big words. Let's try again. Mia, what do you like to do in the evening?
I like watching TV.
Yes. Perfect sentence. English is not about perfection. It is about connection. Okay, Mia, let me ask you something very simple. Very, very simple.
I am ready.
What do you like to do in your free time?
My mind is empty. I like music. Oh,
It's okay. Most students feel this way. Your English is not bad. Your confidence is sleeping. And today, we wake it up.
that feels nice.
Let's start very small. Just one thing. Say with me. I like music.
I like music.
Perfect. Now we upgrade it just a little. I like music. And I listen every day.
I like music. And I listen every day.
Wow, that was smooth. No fear, no stress.
Really? It sounded okay?
Not okay. It sounded real. Now listen carefully. Most students make one mistake.
What mistake?
They think too much. They want perfect English. But English loves simple words. Let's try another one. Something easy. I like tea.
I like tea.
Good. Now add feeling. I like tea because it makes me calm.
I like tea because it makes me calm.
Beautiful. Your voice changed. Did you feel that?
Yes, I feel more confident.
That's the magic. Simple sentences. Real life.
I did it. I understand.
I know you did, and I am proud of you. Remember this. You don't need big words. You need clear words. Okay, Mia, you are doing very well. Now, let's make it a little stronger.
I am ready.
Most students stop here. They answer, but they do not continue. And this is the big mistake.
Continue? But Leo, I am scared. I don't know many words.
That is okay. You don't need many words. You need one more sentence. This one trick changes everything. I like to listen to music because it makes me happy.
Oh, that feels nice. I can say more. I like to listen to music because it makes me happy.
Wow, that is beautiful English. See, no big grammar, no fear, just real life. Now your turn, my friend. Listen. Repeat with me. I like to watch movies because I feel relaxed. Good. Now change it. I like to walk because it is good for me. Yes, perfect.
I'm not translating in my head. The words are coming.
That is the magic moment. This is how confidence starts. And listen, mistakes are welcome here. If you say, I like watch movie, it is okay. You are learning. You're brave.
So, I don't need perfect English.
No, you need practice English. Small sentences. Every day. Now, one more upgrade. Listen, I like to sleep on Sunday.
I like to sleep on Sunday.
That is very honest English. I like it. Ask yourself, what do I like to do? Answer in English. One sentence only. Say it out loud.
you.